Hello and welcome to today's video where I will show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, click on the three dots menu in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you are in the settings, find and click on Downloads from the left drop-down menu. Here, you have options to change the download behavior. You can choose to ask where to save each file before downloading. If you want to change the default download location, click on Change next to the location. A pop-up window will appear. From the left side of the window, select the folder for the new download location for Chrome. Then click Select Folder to confirm. And there you have it! You successfully changed the download location in Chrome. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.